Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Storm Mattia is now moving away, and through the rest of today winds are easing, sunshine developing widely, but it is going to be feeling cold. Having said the winds are easing, still the chance of gales for the next few hours across North Sea coasts of England, particularly North Norfolk, wind warning in force. Later on, after lunch, that wind warning expires. The winds tend to ease. It stays blustery in the east, but otherwise sunny spells for many. One or two showers north of Scotland, Irish Sea coast, North Sea coast, and in the north of Scotland, these falling as sleet and snow, mainly over the hills. Otherwise, inland, well, blue skies, but it is going to feel chilly. 7, 8, 9 Celsius at best. And then a frost forming widely. Once the sun goes down, those temperatures are going to drop away across central and eastern areas. The frost remaining there during the early hours of Tuesday. But for Scotland, for Northern Ireland, for the far northwest of England and Wales, cloudier skies, rain arrives by the end of the night and the wind picks up. So the frost only temporary here. A milder start to Tuesday. Temperatures back up to 5, 6 Celsius, but -2 to -4 Celsius in the southeast, where it's going to be a bright start to the day and with light winds. Completely different picture elsewhere. It's just wet and it's windy, and that rainfall accumulating over western Scotland in particular, over the higher ground, 30 to 50 mils, 60 mils plus in some places by the end of the day. So some very wet weather, and that rain really sets in across much of western England as well as Wales throughout much of the day, and it's accompanied by a strong wind, and the wind is going to be strong not just around coasts but around hills and to the east of any higher ground as well. Expect some very lively gusts during Tuesday. That could also lead to a few impacts. After that bright but cold start in the southeast, it turns to grey skies and a few dribs and drabs of rain, along with a wind setting in by the end of the day, so that's going to make it feel cold. But all of this weather is wrapped up in relatively mild air. We're looking at 12, 13 Celsius by Tuesday afternoon, so quite mild despite all of the wind and rain. Showers replacing the wind and rain as it clears through later Tuesday. And you can see the cold front pushing its way east, and by Tuesday night, cold air across much of the country, but with tight isobars, it's going to be blustery and it's going to be showery to start off Wednesday. So a touch of frost in some sheltered spots, but the main thing on Friday are these blustery showers, and with the cold air, they'll be falling as sleet and snow over the higher ground, effectively from Wales into northern England, much of Scotland. Any of the higher ground here, or even at lower levels in parts of Scotland, could see a bit of the wintry stuff coming through in any of these showers. Gusty winds as well, and it's going to be feeling cold. The most frequent showers in the north and the west, and best shelter from them further east. And temperatures fairly widely mid to high single figures. Lower, I suspect, when these showers come through. You can follow the weather over the next few days, of course, by following the Met Office on social media. We will keep you updated right here. Bye-bye.